The Relative Strength Index, or RSI.
The RSI, or if you're
The Relative Strength Index and
RSI indicator.
After watching this video, you'll be tossing away that standard RSI of yours. Because once you get your hands on this beast, you won't want to use anything else. That's why today, I'm going to reveal a secret version of RSI that's 127% more effective. Grab a seat and let's dive in. Let me guess. You're using RSI to find trend reversals when an asset becomes overbought or oversold, right? Sell if above 70, buy if below 30. Sounds familiar? Here's the thing. Nothing's stopping an asset from getting even more overbought or oversold. I bet you've run into this issue before. No surprise there. Those are the default settings on every trading platform. But here's the problem. In binary options, we're dealing with short-term trades on minute time frames. The noise on these charts is much higher, and that includes indicator signals. Let me introduce you to the new RSI parameters, 80, 20. Wait, did you just move the upper and lower levels? Exactly. But this simple tweak filters out 6 out of 10 false signals. Yes, you'll get fewer signals, but the quality? So much better. I used to trade with the standard RSI settings and mentally ignore bad signals. Then I thought, why not just adjust the parameters so you can see what I see? And that's how the idea for this video was born. If you find this helpful, don't forget to drop a like. Okay, first step done. Now let's cut out 2 more false signals. Here's how I do it. I always check RSI signals on minute timeframes for entry points. But to confirm whether the market is truly overbought or oversold, I compare it with a longer time frame. For example, if I'm analyzing a 1-minute chart, I'll also check the 5-minute chart. If both show the same RSI reading, I trust the signal. But remember, an indicator signal alone is never enough to open a trade. Indicators can and do fail. What you can do is look for additional confirmations before entering. Let me show you an example to prove how this simple adjustment improves your results. We're in a sideways market with frequent trend reversals. Here's a specific downward move that caught my attention. On average, it looked too sharp. Pausing briefly at this support level, which previously caused a strong pump upward. The price broke below this level but quickly returned. This is the perfect entry point for the second pump strategy. Spoiler alert, a video on this strategy is coming soon, so make sure you subscribe to catch up. In a nutshell, we spot an impulsive move, the pump, wait for the price to calmly return to the starting point of the pump, and then open a trade in the same direction. Now back to our RSI indicator. As I mentioned, this drop was way too sharp, and RSI showed strong oversold levels at 2 points. With the new settings, we're left with only 2 signals. The strategy itself filters out the first false signal, since the best entry point is when the price first breaks the level and then returns to the pump's starting value. Got any questions about this trade? Drop them in the comments. I'll answer every single one. Want another $1 million tip? I know a place where false signals don't exist, my Telegram channel. I share daily signals there with detailed explanations. Just message me on Telegram. But wait, that's not the only way to use RSI. Originally, RSI wasn't even designed to identify overbought or oversold zones. It was created to measure trend strength. When I tested RSI, I noticed something interesting. In strong uptrends, RSI typically moves between 50 and 80. In strong downtrends, RSI moves between 20 and 50. Here's how to use this. 1. Identify a trending market. This won't work in sideways markets. 2. For an uptrend, wait for RSI to dip to 50, then look for a bounce. Treat it like a strong support level. Let's break down a trade I recorded earlier. It was the start of the trading day and intraday trends were just forming. Notice how the RSI stayed in the upper range, 50 to 80, during this upward move? That's a sign of a strong trend. The RSI entry point occurred 3 minutes before when the price bounced off the RSI 50 level. But we needed more confirmation before entering the trade. The price was testing a resistance level for the 3rd time with minimal pullbacks. This suggests the resistance isn't strong, and a trend reversal is unlikely, confirmed by the RSI. I also spotted a continuation pattern, a triangle, along the local trend line. This is an excellent confirmation. So the trade. I opened a long position after breaking the resistance level, because only after the breakout we can confirm the pattern. Our duration is 7 minutes. Go ahead and use the new RSI to drastically improve your trading results. Let's quickly recap. Update your RSI settings to 80, 50, and 20. This filters out unnecessary noise and provides clear signals. Use RSI only in trending markets. In sideways ranges, it's far less reliable. Use RSI to measure trend strength. Confirm signals on higher timeframes for accuracy. And always look for additional confirmations before entering a trade. This could be patterns, global support and resistance levels, or other indicators. In every video of mine, I aim to give you maximum value without the fluff. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to keep creating. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel for free signals, strategies, and tons of useful materials. That's it for today. Stay safe and be in touch.